The Human Brewery is back! And I see all you sissy boys are still drinking them seltzers. Well, guess what? I've had enough. It's time that I'm gonna take all them seltzers and I'm gonna snatch them up and I'm gonna jam them right up your ass. Yes, you're doing great. Now we're gonna switch sides. And just like that, keep going. And again. And we're gonna stop right there and we're gonna take a break because you earned it. It's time to go get yourself an ice cold seltzer. Fuck out of here, you sissy boy. It's time to raise some ruckus because it's Fridge Brick Friday. Throwing bricks.